What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are out here, out back at O'Reilly's. There he is, Mr. Keelan McNeil, but that's not what we're showing you today, guys. Check this out. Bam! Yeah! We got Rob and Logan. They're back here. You see I brought the Mustang. But guys, check this monster out. I've been wanting to get it on the show. Rob's been wanting to get it on. This thing has a 7-inch lift. I'm sorry about the wind, guys. I'm sure it's terrible. It is frostbite ass cold out here. I know it looks bright and sunny, but it just looks that way. Believe me, it's not warm. But guys, this thing's got a 7-inch lift. I think these tires are like 14 wide. He's got new DLR headlights in it. Everything, man. We got to check it out. But anyway, guys, big shout out to Rob and Logan right there, coming out here to Napanese and O'Reilly's. We're gonna get this monster on, so let's check this out, guys. Bam, there it is. We'll just start up front, man. Look, he's got the big DLRs and projection bulbs in here. They're smoked out too. Look at this. LED fog lights. He's got the toe clamps. Look at this. Another big light bar in the front, and you know he got the blacked out bow tie to go with that. Big light bar up there. Man, this thing's nasty. Look at these tires. Look up underneath the front end of this. Ooh, yeah, look at that, man. It's got new shocks all the way around it. Everything, man. Look at this. This thing is clean everywhere you look. I don't even know what all those parts are. Look at this. These tires are monsters, man. Monsters. Look how wide this is. Look at that. Nasty. I told him, he said he's got the big fenders. I said they're about 2 inches too narrow for this thing. This is so wide. But guys, it was clean before he drove it up here, but you know, you can't drive in Elkhart County and keep anything clean. We already know that. Check this out, guys. And back here, look at this massive tow hook. I think he said it's like 15 tons. Nasty. This thing is huge. Massive. Check this out, guys. In here, see if I can get this to open. Yeah, damn, that's heavy, kind of. Look at this. He's got this thing all floor matted, all inside here. Look at that. Yeah. All nice. Nice back there, isn't it, guys? Damn. I think that's shut. Probably not. Got the Tahoe cover. I know it's got rock lights and underglow. Check this out when you do the doors. See if the side. Check him out. Bam, there he is. You know he got the automatic steps and it's got the lights on it. Look inside here, guys. This thing's stupid clean. And I think he said it's a 2010, guys. 2010. He got the tan interior, and man, and this thing is stupid clean. Got the subs underneath the back seat. Check him out. Look at this door panel, everything. Got his tent. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Look at this. He's got a B-box down here. Man, he got 2 tins under his seat, and they're bumping, man. He was playing it a minute ago, and it was hitting. Oh, I think Logan's gonna jump up there. He's gonna give it a sound test. You gonna turn it on? Man, and he's got the roof. Look, I just noticed that. Damn. He got the sunroof and all in this mug. Guys, this truck, let's see, you can see the step go up. We might have missed it. Nasty, man. Nasty, nasty. Turn all the lights on in the front, Logan. Woo, there's the top bar. There they go. Damn. Turn the DLRs on. There we go. Nasty looking, man. Ooh, we can turn the sound on. He gonna chino us today. He gonna give us the copyright. Ooh, yeah, look. Damn, you can hear it bumping. Yeah, and he's got the rock lights, green to match all that. Oh, I know what I was gonna show him. Look at this freaking, look at the drive shaft under here, guys. Look at that. Ooh, check him out. Killing it, man. Sound good too. Damn, they're out here freezing with me today, guys. Yeah. Killing it, man. Killing it. Ooh, we got the taillights. Let's get the taillights lit up. Hit the brakes for us one time, Logan. Yeah, let's check him out. Yeah, looking good, man. There's Brandon over there. He come to check it out. Yeah. What up, man? You on the show?
I'm on the show.
Yeah, you on the clock?
I'm off the clock now.
Yeah, good. Hell yeah, he's off work.
I'm on.
Keelan working until like what, 9 o'clock?
Well, yeah, me and him
Oh
wait.
man.
Too
Oh, so
close tonight,
you on your
yeah.
lunch break then?
I'm on lunch break.
Yeah. Anybody you want to shout out while you on here, man?
Oh yeah, yeah. Come to O'Reilly. Yeah.
There you
That's
go,
where
guys.
it's at.
That's where it's at, guys. You see it. We're out here, man. It's cold, man. The wind's cold. It looks like it's nice and warm out here, but it's cold as hell, ain't it, man? Damn. Oh shit. And it's got what, the LS3, right?
Yep. 6.2 LS3.
6.2 liter LS3. Damn, you can't even see all the way up in there. You need a stool. Damn. Got the K&N air take. I see that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Headers and true coolers LS.
Damn, for real?
Yep.
Nasty, nasty. Let's hear it was. Let's step on it. We get back here. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Nasty. That's got some pipes on it. That thing sounds good. Yeah. Heck yeah, heck yeah. That's dope, man.
Can't forget the train horn.
Oh yeah, hit the horn. Hey, kill a copyright, will you? Or the bust me. There we go. They definitely get me on that one. Yeah, let's hear it. Oh my god. Holy shit. Hit it again one more time. Oh, yeah, you can hear the compressor running, can't you? Damn, nasty, dude. You can just hear it echo. That's so bad. Is that the regular horn? I don't think we can say that. Oh, that's not, well, it's not as manly as that big train horn. Oh my god. Yeah, you can hear the compressor running, man. Dude, that thing is nasty. Holy crap.
It's not here.
The compressor?
Yeah.
Let's check him out. Oh yeah, right there. It's just humming right away. It's really not loud at all. The one a mini truck, man, it makes all kinds of noise.
Yeah. That's a spot back there. I think it's a little too small for all that.
Probably so. Yeah. Man. What size wheels are those?
20 by 12.
20 by 12. Damn. Yeah, that's why I say that tire's got to be at least 14. Easy 14. Massive, massive. Big mirrors too. He ain't even got them stretched all the way out either, are they? They'll go out further than that, won't they? Man, it's clean everywhere, guys.
It's got the aftermarket seats and it's got the front seats are cat skins.
Ooh, cat skins, huh?
Yeah.
Real cats?
Yeah.
Damn, yeah.
Yeah, here, you're gonna do that again?
Yeah, let me get out front here. Oh man, here we go. Hit it. Oh my god, dude. That's so loud. So loud. Trying to flip the camera. There we go. But alright guys, that's what it is. That's what we're doing. Shout out to Rob and Logan. Guys, it is super cold out here. My finger is freezing off. I'm telling you, this thing is super sick. I'll definitely see this thing some more this summer, guys, when we're out and about. Shout out to Keelan McNeil. We got his truck, but not him. We got you, homeboy. We got you. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. We will see you all in the next one. Keep on trapping.